Welcome to my channel Geography with Nadranath. Now I explain about tornado. It's very important lecture, must will carefully listen, and if you are new must will subscribe and click bell icon. From the severe thunderstorm, sometime spiraling winds and descending lights the struck and the elephant with the great force and very low pressure at the center causing massive destruction on its way. Such a phenomena is called a tornado. Basically, tornado generally occur in the middle latitudes. A tornado over the sea is called water spirits. These violent storms are manifestation of the atmosphere adjustment to varying energy distribution, the potential and heat energy, and converted into the kinetic energy in this storm, and their restless atmosphere again return to its stable state. Tornado is a small diameter column of the velocity and the violently rotating air develop within convection cloud, and it is the contact with the ground. And tornado occur most often in association with the thunderstorm during the spring in the summer in the mid latitude of the both northern and southern hemisphere. This whirling atmospheric vortex can generate in the strong and winds known as the earth, and the wind speed range 500 kilometers per hour. They are the often referred to the twister of the cyclone. And it's very important the distribution of tornado rare in the polar region in frequency of the latitude and the higher than the 50 degree north and 50 degree south. The temperature and tropical region are the most prone of the thousands. The thunderstorm tornado have been reported on all continents and Antarctica. United States has the most violent tornado, and Canada reports the second largest number of tornadoes. And in the Indian subcontinent there are the Bangladesh in the most prone country to the tornadoes. At any moments there are the approximately 1800 thunderstorms in progresses and throughout the world. So definitely is very broad area. And water sport, the water sport is intensity column vortex and the generally that occur over a body of water. They are connected to the swirling cumuliform clouds and the cumulonimbus cloud, and most water sports too do not suck up water. They are small and wave rotating column air over the water. And also damage caused by the thunderstorm and tornadoes. Basically many hazardous weather events associate with the thunderstorm under the right condition. Rainfall from the thunderstorm cause flash flooding, killing more people each year than the hurricane, tornado or lightning. Lightning is responsible for many fires around the world each year, and the cause of fatalities. Hail of the size and softball damage car in the windows and kill livestock caught out there at the open. And strong straight lines winds associated with the thunderstorm knock down trees and power lines and mobile homes. And tornado can destroy all the best built man-made structure also. And definitely about you know about the tornado and broadly. And tornado occur when the violent rotating column of the air mix from the different climates. The mixture of the most warm air and the crust and the cold air makes then the supercell in the thunderstorm quelled and form the smaller twister. As their wind pick up does the twister, and tornado can be meters in the wide to and the 100 meters in width, and wind speed of the 70 to 200 plus miles per hour make these are the massive. So definitely storm very dangerous. Anytime in this path of this storm will be destroyed, and whether the community of the crops and field. Tornado can also fatal to humans, and tornado are funnel safe and storm which is smallest but most violent and destroys to the storm. In fact, the diameter of the funnel increasing from 90 meter in the lower portion of the 460 meter in the super portion. It is the very dark color, and because of the dominance of the dust, sands, debris and condensed moisture, the center of tornado is characterized by extremely low pressure and says the 100 millibar less than the outside environment. Because of such steep pressure gradient, winds rush up the greater force towards the center and having the various velocity of 600 to 800 km per hour. Thus the swiftly inward moving air caused into the vortex on the storm, and it is the rapidly fitted upward and cools there are the thunderstorm. This is why tornadoes are always associated with the violent thunderstorm. Tornado may be developed the single or group. When the tornado move it group, they cause irreparable the heavily loss to the human health and wealth. Through exact mechanism of the origin and development of the tornado is not fully understood, but most of the meteorologists believe that the form due to the violent convection of conditionally and convectionally unstable column of the ascending air. The origin of tornado has also been related to fronts. The thrusting of warm and most tropical and subtropical air masses by cloud, the polar cold air mass along the cold front presents ideal condition for the tornado development. Sometimes intense local heating of the ground surface cause strong and convection, which indicates ideal condition for the development of tornado. According to the California scientist Vernon J. Russell, and the tornado developed because of the attraction of two cloud masses. Through the tornadoes may develop at any time, but they are more common during the spring and summer season also. So the tornado are more common in the southern and eastern USA. The approach of tornado is held by the dark and thick the clouds in the sky, resulting into the complete darkness and minimum visibility in the lower air pressure. The wind blowing there the hyper velocity, which cause crack in the building. The core, the bottle suddenly open automatically due to sudden change of the air pressure. Tornado through the smallest in this area, all the hazardous atmospheric storm are very deadly to the human lives and property. On other average annual totally cost in the tornado in the USA include damage to the property such as the 10 like US dollar, and there are the 150 human death in the dead list in the part of the tornado or the tornado there are the missiles, and also which inflict the great damage of the building, other human structure of the human lives. So approx the tornado outbreaks in the generally is very dangerous. For the 60 tornadoes on the February 1984 struck in the Virginia and the North California, South California and Alabama, Mississippi, and there are the hues between 10 a.m. and 12 midnights where the most terrific there was caused by the violent windstorm and every experience in the USA before this data. Total damage, so the huge damage, the $1 million in the and injury approx 2,500 peoples. And basically birth of tornado, it is the very important birth of tornado. Tornado are large superstorm that form based of the different climate colliding with one another. They generate high wind speed and that could destroy anything in the path and including living organism is basically. And how tornado form? A tornado is a violent retaining column of air and that makes from the different climate form the tornado. The mixture of the much warm air and the crisp cold air make it a supercell in the thunderstorm quilt and form the small twister. As their winds pick up, so does the twister. They could be a meter in the width and the dangerous 100 meters in the width. The growth of the twister revolves around the wind speed and the storm and there are thunderstorm within the cloud and you will see the small vertex forming the closer to the base of clouds, the twister of air and then travel in the ground the once it hits the ground level. To make the tornado more stable, there will have to be a warming and throughout the atmosphere. And some categories of the superstorm, the category depend on the how fast wind are traveling because of the tornado. And if the standard for the enhanced Fuji-cha, which is the broken down the 5 categories, tornado from the 65 to 85 and there are the one range 86 to 110 miles and per hour also, and there the location the United States lead to the most tornado on the average year, followed by the Canada, Bangladesh and Italy. Yet the United States make up the 75% of the all tornado in the world. However, tornado can happen anywhere. There are the completely random as to while they move up, although on the faster times of the year of tornado. Is May and June there have been records of the tornado occurring throughout the fall month as well. These random tornado formed by the change in the different climates joining. Some are much bigger than there are the most of these tornado occur in the part of the United States defined as the tornado alley. So where this storm take place is very important. Oklahoma happened to be the middle of tornado alley. There are the over past 60 years estimated 111 tornadoes rapid through the Caddo country and very unluckily right. The rest of Oklahoma is not very likely as well as the blame these tornado occurs to frequent in the Oklahoma because of where it is located geographically. The humid air coming from the Gulf of Mexico and cooled out to the dry cool area coming from the west and causing the tornado to form. The Colorado front range in the peak of the nearly 1,000 feet above the sea level, which provide low pressure and which draw the dry air. These are the white tornado occur more often in the Oklahoma than the rest of the world. So it's very important on this context the spot. And destruction is this example of the huge tornado is one of the 2014 and Arkansas just in the middle outside the Little Rock and with the tornado part of the 80 miles long. The tornado was ringing and during the day but did not touch in ground until around 7 p.m. Nobody know the outcome until the sunrise the next morning, according to meteorologist Jeff Hood. His tornado was there are the EF3 storms and range around 135 to about 160 miles per hour wind speed. The half miles wide tornado rapid throughout towards destroying everything in the path. Some of the storm weakened the homes, cars and the tractor, trailers, business and the even brand new $14 million school. And the towns of the fluids, gods, the woods and the some storm. And we will move one to the another plane, off in the plane and people were pulling over on the highway. And also the trees and telephone pole were the bending and rattling parts in the the 70 people were killed because to the storm alone with the $1 million damage and the destroyed properties. So one against an example on the May 20, 2013 the huge tornado swept in the entry of the city of Moore the Oklahoma along with the several other communities in the tornado pathway. After 3 weeks the searching of the casualties or 20 people were found in the dead in the destroyed towns. The tornado retards and traveling from the New York and Virginia made the way the southwest to the community and more in the Oklahoma. Tornado looters are people that arrived at the place where the disaster tornado has occurred. These people go through destroyed property and search of the people valuable, and these are action is illegal. So this is the about tornado. Thank you to all. Must will share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.